Vitamin D. Fish roe is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as supporting immune function. Selenium. Fish roe is a good source of selenium, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect the body against cellular damage and inflammation. Zinc. Fish roe is also a good source of zinc, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and wound healing. Popular ways to prepare fish roe. Fish roe can be prepared and served in a variety of ways. Some popular ways to enjoy fish roe include sushi and sashimi. Fish roe is a popular ingredient in many types of sushi and sashimi dishes. It can be served on its own or as a garnish to add a pop of flavor and texture. Caviar. High-quality fish roe, such as sturgeon caviar, is a luxurious delicacy that is typically served on crackers or toast points with a dollop of crème fraîche or sour cream. Salads. Fish roe can be used to add a burst of flavor to salads, such as in a traditional Greek salad with feta cheese and olives. Pasta. Fish roe can be used as a sauce for pasta dishes, such as spaghetti carbonara, or as a topping for pizza. Omelets. Fish roe can be folded into omelets or frittatas for an added burst of flavor and nutrition. Fish roe, also known as fish eggs or caviar, can be prepared in various ways depending on the type of fish roe and the culinary tradition. Here are a few examples of how to prepare fish roe. Sautéed fish roe. This is a popular way of preparing fish roe in many Mediterranean countries. The fish roe is sautéed in olive oil with garlic and chili flakes. It can be served as a tapa or added to pasta dishes. Pickled fish roe. Pickling is a common way of preserving fish roe. The fish roe is first cured with salt and then pickled in a mixture of vinegar, sugar, and spices. It can be served as an appetizer or used as a condiment. Grilled fish roe. Grilling fish roe gives it a smoky flavor and crispy texture. The fish roe is first marinated with lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs and then grilled until golden brown. It can be served as a main dish or as a side dish. Fish roe salad. Fish roe can be used to make a delicious salad. The fish roe is mixed with chopped onions, tomatoes, and herbs and dressed with lemon juice and olive oil. It can be served as a light meal or as a side dish. Fish roe sushi. Fish roe is a popular ingredient in sushi. It is usually served as a topping on sushi rolls or nigiri sushi. Tobiko, which is the roe of flying fish, is a common type of fish roe used in sushi. When it comes to nutritional value, fish roe is a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. The exact nutritional content varies depending on the type of fish roe, but generally speaking, fish roe is a healthy and nutritious food. However, it should be consumed in moderation as it is high in cholesterol. Pickled fish roe is a traditional delicacy in many cultures around the world.